Okay, I had to press the OK. I had to press the OK on it. The radio was on. The radio was on. I had to press the OK. All right, so let's go again. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put it in the radio was on, but I didn't press the OK. I should have hit the OK on the screen. That's a touch screen, by the way, on this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in GPS. Okay, now we got the green light. We got the green light on the controller, and the green light is now on the controller. So now all we need to do is we need to take both of these and down and out, and the green light should start flashing, which the green light is flashing. Okay, now I'm just going to hit it in a run position. Should take off. Here we go. Okay, up and at 'em, baby. Oh, now that's a 4.8 volt battery. Look how nice. Up and at 'em, baby, up and at 'em. A nice hover. Look at that. Beautiful. Pirouette. Come on down, baby. Come on down. Nice and slow. Okay. You can see she's holding pretty good there. He's not moving too much. Hands off the sticks. There's the wind turbines in the background. We're going to run her for a while. What we had happened yesterday was when I was down at the flying site down there, I was flying it around with the 4.8 battery, 100C. It was 4,000 milliamp. No, I'm sorry, it was 3,300 milliamp battery, 100C. And what had happened was I was flying around for a while. Apparently